Nabonsu. Now they near me though. Nabonsu that is say. But so microphone the boy. Now be able call there. Be fresh.
Be a coso. Eguso. Justice and accountability. Eguso boy Juma.
Yes. Justice and accountability. Ugusu boy Juma.
Boy Juma den.
Good.
Prof.
Yeah.
Prof where?
Me where?
When you Juma phone you. Juma pa we no credit and oba coach when him papa.
Me say me no. Say a white. A black.
Ah, pepe. Bibia kan ho.
Who said nano me tire fidie su ka say.
Yes.
A brand bit say kojo opon kruma.
Yes.
Sa brand ne say Ghana for a hwe ne ya obebo man Ghana.
Also betimi abedi president.
And in the NDC the person I've seen with that eye way back Sami Yenfi.
Yes. Also betimi abedi president.
Also betimi abedi sure. And Sami Awuku
also can who be
another man.
Yes.
So what I say.
Sanko for me
and you know Ghana wo. Ye di amanyo sama say ho.
Ese no ma bebre. Prof Anyagro.
No, ye di amanyo sama say ho.
Ese no ma. Ese no ma. O se no kredie no, ba bia no kred dan yemfanto. Do be ka no kred so an ye tata.
Ne tata no.
Prof,
ye ka no kred.
Dabi.
Se dipani ni wafa na nipa no ya
at that side ya.
They be oya dia no wa bona baso.
San also bona baso. Oye ni ya bona baso.
Wanye ni ye no waka.
De anya no waka. Bia ko yanim. No ma ne ko da nim.
Enfa man yo sam
enwura mu basa.
Enkata weni enye sa.
Sa de no na ma Ghana intimi ntumpo no. E be hai.
Kojo pon kruma. Se wo ye wonua anka wo mpe.
Wo mpe se.
Wo ye wo papa anka wo mpe.
Ope.
Wo ye wo fa anka wo mpe. So we don't have to be going after them like that.
Prof, we me da sepa no akwanya ade ama me maduru ha.
Yeah, na bonsu yi.
Yes.
Me wo Bible bia me pese me no share.
Mate.
On those people aya wo mo yes an e ma no. Pull him down. Attitude no. Enya de pa.
Enye
Uni akoso anaye wo ya na wo twene. Okay, this story in the Bible. Okay, this story in the Bible.
Patrol catch me.
Cain Abel.
Yes.
Wabra eye Cain ekum Abel no.
Yes.
Me bisa o say. Nyame a yesom no a ye nyina ye di nachi a ye hwe no a oboa yen no. O chusu Cain. When chusu Cain.
Dabi.
Cain ekum Abel no. Nyame chusu Cain.
Dabi.
When chusu no.
Dabi.
Because he was not a chosen one. And you know, and from Bonnie Quanso, and Quasa Unia thinking, say, Unia no say na. Who could dig sa position?
Wow, and no cram wow. A mine is on Quanim. You bring Parliament gentlemen, Cosso Cassian after free side.
Bringing others down will never be the path
to
your elevation.
Yes. Sorry,
bringing others down.
Wa unnu say dia wo ye na ye.
Enso kra elevation.
Oh.
Ye twumemu e wo bebia.
Ye fia ye titimu.
Ye fia ye titimu.
Bebia ye adwuma edwem everywhere.
Oh, there be. Na abonsu. Sometimes we trust the
ana ordinary.
Anu ordinary.
Ye nkwa na ni page.
Moma yemfa odo. Entenase no credie
yemfa mu mine na mine nko nanim simple
je kufu ba Ghana obeya ade yi say ye nyina ye bona baso
yes do obeya ye papa ye beka we na anya yesu ye beka ho say simple
na bo so be sometimes wrong me trase pan na me hwe amanyofo no na amanyofo no na won omunam amanyosem so ebi ka papa ebi say ade a one year say no edu I can't think for
yeah ne hadwin
na bonso I can't think for
yeah ne hadwin because abrante Sami Jamfi abrante obaye me kura say gold board buy na ma me hu say PMMC na useless me na me catch gold board na ma me say useless
na nipa da sanity meeting asika say Sami Jamfi ye ba power on yo bia ye be kan ache no
onyamba power no target say obi ya the power because ebi asinti nipa na anya bibi ye am ya ye ni say nti so ba fa kwam bia so fa so what hata nipa for what say steady city stability e wo se sia gold board ne back is ade
no kre
Satama na PMMC wo ho no na dollar ne nko 20 na fa so ba na nya free so gold board buy akra yi nyansa Sami Jamfi na kasa akra yi ni nyansa hwe ba bi o ma sidi agina wo ya adwuma abochi mame ni kanchia opanyi kase ona bo Anthony Kwesi Sapon Commissioner General Ghana Revenue Authority
o ta chana pa o feeling o
me adwuma me ye no justice and accountability aha wo ye adwuma na nya prof ye beka si wo ba ko a ma hwehwe adwuma ma hu so obo adwuma pa ye ona bo Anthony Kwesi Sapon
na ede na ede na ko pie shiraj
wan ede no ko try wan ede no ko try
ya fa no go pie
wan ede no ko ye
me bisa wo justice and accountability
and say wo ni pa no ede no ko ye no ye hwan abochi ni pa no ede no ko ye wo ye hwan
be dia kwa
wo so aye dey woso ahede woso ahede nipa ye bi na wo ka
but so wunim
ebi na wo ka say nansi twitwa no na me enko anim saa de wo ya ekoso wi na say nipa ya wo bo ni din papa no unim so ni free kro baako
omum ye no free kro baako be dia ko ne
Zimbabwe yes
sa
ama asemo enka ama tama woni hawa woni excuse me to say woni say no operation kanyina ono na fire
really
me na make a chone Anthony Kwesi Sapon for operation ka bia obedi akon o ha onka boboa me na make bedi akopa ebusa no wonya obone ukrom ni no wase menua me hwe emoni mfra efri kro baako enti bibia no aba na so ohu ti bibi ana me bibi koso na nya o me ho abetimi aba me nkyem be ka kyerem sese wo ba ye bibi ahwe no odi ka pa bibi kro no bi ma a chill saba bi no can say hwe GRA nipa ekọ GRA nipa ekọ GRA papa ne ho ekopem wan me ka kire wa you be shocked
really
nipa ba ku ntime nkọ ne enko kina enko adekye eti so onya bibi mu no kire say o kina ma me hwe unua bi so bi na that o kire wa say aba e ya bufu asem wodi bi ya mi shadel sadia na edma bi wodi ne ko kire je okopa acho yes okopa acho e ma case no mu cho no akopa acho abedi akono
sa case no bedi akono na ekopa acho
yes ama case no omutwem ono kopa acho wo de aye no o sa de aye na akora bi very bright intelligent guy be a friend Ken J one is papa no special aid ono so de nam sa akora no onmu papa we prempe college on boa papa na adwuma ekosu giare nyina bebre su gira akora no so eno so bedi akota ata no papa ne ka say minya ma o so ba no office o ba onu obi na bai woni nkofo no bai no ana ofra osebra ana so woni nkofo na nam na no mo na o say no wobintime ma mo nyina mo nwura ma twans because so na minimum sa nkofo ntitwen na sa wo ba na semetie nkomo ne sese me fra o ma di wachi na memo ma ba o ye panyini o ka wo ya ka bone na sa no ma wa nyina o ka wo ntia se nam de wo kwacha akwesi sei wotimi mmegya Kwesi Sapon da na meka bedi akontimi mmea mpama Kwesi Sapon emfri GRA because wo ye adwuma pa o buy smugglers wacheche wo mo taxes enyugu nkofo botom watwam nkofo bebre na ho na omu didi no ade no wo papa no wana wo be hu say de wote o ye obi obu ne ho kata asese ne program mo ne ho on pesa no ma no on pasisi o se de dara kuma so no say Ghana ya taxes be ko ya nima mpuntu akọ nanim no obi abeka so obedi yeto de obetu susa da bia da sem o kan no enti abaso bo ene wo se edema ante se de wo se edema Sami Jamfi ba gold board ama sidi no me nka sem wo ye papa me kan boni ameka sidi no ama na gina gold board me se first na PMC wo ho no na a useless gold board man who say useless me na me ka kire one
arrange na who say useless
there na that dollar na do 20 Ghana say dollar say Sami Jamfi ya adwuma o ya branch ya na ni so ade hu no o ma no nya adwuma men ka so obia mfo so kakra ni no e bia adwuma bia ya financial institution bia ka kakra so wom e betimi abase afenyo markets wo case but case na wo no nka say the papa bebre na wa ye na be say no mama obi ya ade ya mo na baso no nya on say obi ya ade na abo na baso a e ma no nya kokoduro e ya ade pa de ko nanim but ase utwitwa ne nantia na wo say progress ni nyina anya nice. That's all my own species organ ha. To be the bonny on be friend pakro no so we disca. But hano emfa hwema. And I'm kojina haka, and I'm kojina haka, and I'm adentina afenyo no. There a gold board no ma bebre ba and there no abeka say ma bona baso say gold board we.
SOMPA FM.
E wona mpese mi hu. E no abona baso. E no abo Sami Jamfi abaso. Bebre be nya ntini na ade Sami Jamfi nya ni nya anye. Obi ye papa bonabaso obonabaso na do point me na aka bibi se we nkoyi obi abeji watum say yes da bia aka na asem so we ade we na and na waka we dey right
me pato ye nko na nkotie Afrenyu markets the okay.
And let me land on this gold board issue. I want to say something to our brother Sami Jamfi. Sami, MPP, nobody hates you. Abno Sayasare doesn't hate you. I don't hate you. We want the best for you. Some of the people you think are your friends today, that you deploy to attack us merely for questioning certain actions at gold board, may not be there for you tomorrow. So take it easy. When we raise issues, take your time and respond. Don't come and attack us. Don't engage others to attack us because we criticize gold board. You were very loud, Sami, when you were in opposition. You raised critical issues. You were the loudest in opposition. And I'm sure you should have a certain level of tolerance to even listen to the issues we raise. Because most of the issues you raise are issues that have been reported by the IMF, by institutions that are credible. So we are not after your person. We are after the excesses in the activities at your institution. So please, don't take it personal. Let's work together. Let's understand the issues. When we raise them, take note. Because one day, some of these things may come back and haunt you, and maybe a media person that is supporting you today may not be there for you tomorrow. So let's understand each other and show our collective mutual respect. You see, I would do another thing. Our friends in NDC have become so intolerant. When you raise any issue, then they become personal, attack you, insult you, engage some bloggers, engage some pseudo, whatever on social media, to now go very personal. They are so intolerant. They don't want to hear criticism. But things are going wrong. A lot of malfeasance, a lot of wrongdoing. It's our duty to discuss, to raise them. Theirs is to listen and adjust and get it done right. It will save them themselves tomorrow, like my brother Sami Jamfi's issue I'm raising. It will save him tomorrow.
Foreign call. Hello, Papa. What about to be a new? Say me feel London, echo US. No crowd who cry from Obama mania. Na Papa mo what to say. Radiad Mahabako. Nana could just see. Echo Basim Penemo. There were Tonga Densi Hunyamanonso. What's your idea? Oh, what's your hole? Aquaba. Messi or Bodma Crasser Canenwa. Now what do US want some man for Bondisana? Hey, Papa, US a Hakuradi. Nana could just see Company Limited at Jibebia. One more Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. A bar Densi Hunyamadia. Obia sin na ko jesi company limited na matese wo bie depo kasie bi e wakasua e ho na wo bia ko to adansie ho niema na eye no kura papa no kura pa a police station in Chenhua eh akuo ba sempre mo no onye mereda hwe we kura no miensa mua e na obia nfoforo yawo ba ko abu akwase paase kumase e ba ko so pokua se nkran ha obia se na kodwo jesi eye bemaba e wadansie mu wato cement iron rods banding wires and adua plywood and just said about dance wo te se bibia e de hye adansie ase de ko wie depo no nyina nso eye tufo bo wudu kuka mu a wo kodwa free Akra we Kaswa depo any pokrasi de no kra to nchen a wasa wo bu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wasa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebi so magazine road head office no wa bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwiso Akra road femesa opposite Alaji Celia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrum. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana Kojesi Company Limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastra no ewiye brim. Enam nensa so ama Onyankopon we ya hon wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro Nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Emma some perfect service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia. Fa woda ni nyina share radensa na erade beye.
Asampa yetia obayansa foso wo bunuye wonka na asam odifo no kan se mititi se buru anka mesu ama memai mi bisa wo na won so se ne oman ne kɔ no wani gye ho ana wunya ya anka nsakyira ebi mra minim se wo to aba na nso nim fa so a ɛwɔ wabato ne so wonim wasɛdeɛ sɛ wo man ba adwuma no woyɛ ne biara esan sɛ etuaban ho etuaduam ana wafa na sɛ ɛwɔ awode obi a chinchin wonsa age wade na nso hu kwan a wonfa so aban nwumakuo ankronkra de no any civil society organizations no oni mo masede adwadifo ni sigasem no tesɛn driverfo mo petrol ne kwan no so tesɛn na gas no nso ya ye bi sɛ nyina ye mining tio empenifo so aka city krom kwa gina enti hia odomotoma chiame obrimpo na nakwa mpoma wo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra memenda we ene memenda bia anapa no nson ebikosi nondu wo memanti dwumadie so akai sɛ ni nyina ye memanti hyɛ nso memenda we ene memenda bia 7 to 10 am memanti ye be SOMPA
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wede na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi a cha nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahemamo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve haji special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 for not with them. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No mo to dokono wa monten so. Eno no mo tu etono. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wa wo ho a. Wo de free. Na ye customize the amount. Say the wusi penny bia. Protein apese ye de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and ye the servo ya wahu, just bakery, ewodome, commercial bank in Chenwa, and to fraying, and was 025 60688832. Now, young customize your orders in the mount, never servo or city with pen and pepper. Just hot kinky,
just hot kinky,
and ye hot.
And let me land on this gold board issue. I want to say something to our brother Sammy Jenfi. Sammy, MPP, nobody hates you. Abno Sayasare doesn't hate you. I don't hate you. We want the best for you. Some of the people you think are your friends today, that you deploy to attack us merely for questioning certain actions at gold board may not be there for you tomorrow. So take it easy. When we raise issues, take your time and respond. Don't come and attack us. Don't engage others to attack us because we criticize gold board. You were very loud, Sammy, when you were in opposition. You raised critical issues. You were the loudest in opposition. And I'm sure you should have a certain level of tolerance to even listen to the issues we raise, because most of the issues you raise are issues that have been reported by the IMF, by institutions that are credible. So we are not after your person. We are after the excesses in the activities at your institution. So please, don't take it personal. Let's work together. Let's understand the issues. When we raise them, take note. Because one day, some of these things may come back and haunt you, and maybe a media person that is supporting you today may not be there for you tomorrow. So let's understand each other and show our collective mutual respect. You see, I would do. Another thing, our friends in NDC have become so intolerant. When you raise any issue, then they become personal. Attack you, insult you, engage some bloggers, engage some pseudo, whatever on social media, to now go very personal. They are so intolerant. They don't want to hear criticism. But things are going wrong. A lot of malfeasance, a lot of wrongdoing. It's our duty to discuss, to raise them. Theirs is to listen and adjust and get it done right. It will save them themselves tomorrow, like my brother Sami Jemfi's issue I'm raising. It will save him tomorrow.
All right, until SOMPA 106.5 for God and Country, credit to Metro TV. That was where I borrowed this tape from. I didn't know what credit to the source. Okay.